In this video, I'll demonstrate how to mount a virtual drive and extract data from it in a macOS environment. I'll walk through the steps an attacker might take to create a virtual drive, stage sensitive data within it, and prepare it for exfiltration. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, and it's crucial to have authorization before performing such activities. Let's begin by creating a disk image, which acts as our virtual drive. Firstly, we'll open Disk Utility, and then we'll go to create a new image. We can do this by using Command N. We are going to name our disk image to be sensitive data.dmg, and we'll save it on our desktop. We're going to give it the title of confidential. We're going to leave it at 100 megabytes, which should be sufficient for our demonstration. We'll change the format to MacOS Extended Journaled. And then for encryption, we'll set it to 128-bit AES encryption. We'll type a password, and we'll click Choose, and then we'll click Save. That is going to create a disk image on our desktop called sensitivedata.dmg. It has also mounted this disk as confidential drive. We can see this in action if I right-click on confidential and eject confidential, and then I can double-click on sensitive data, again, .dmg, put in the password, and it will open up our confidential volume. Let's simulate copying sensitive data into this drive. I'll create a sample file with some dummy data, and then I'll save that on my desktop. So let's open Text Edit. We can type in, this is confidential information, and I can save this file, call it secrets.txt, save it on my desktop. Now, once that file has been saved on my desktop, I can drag that file and drop it on my confidential volume. You can repeat this process with any files or folders that you could consider sensitive. Now, once we have staged all the data, we can unmount the drive. We can do that by right-clicking on confidential and eject confidential. Now, all of our sensitive data is packaged with the sensitive data.dmg file on the desktop. At this point, an attacker might attempt to exfiltrate this file. They could open a web browser, navigate to cloud storage site, and then upload that file to that cloud storage site. So let's discuss why virtual drive mounting is significant in the context of post-exploitation. If I open this sensitive data.dmg one more time, put in the password, we can open up our confidential volume and see that our secrets.txt file is in there. So by bundling files into a disk image, an attacker can consolidate multiple files into one container, simplifying the exfiltration process. They can use encryption to prevent detection during transit or scanning by security tools. They can potentially evade file type filters that might block standard file formats. To mitigate such risks, organizations should consider implementing data loss prevention solutions to monitor and block unauthorized transfers, restricting the ability to create or mount disk images on sensitive systems, employing security tools capable of inspecting encrypted containers for unauthorized data. And before we wrap up, let's clean up our demonstration. We'll close our volume, we'll eject our volume, and we'll drag or send our files, our secret.txt, and our sensitive data to the trash. Then we will finally empty our trash to ensure that everything has been tidied up.